All right, this section is also done. Let's get rid of this, and now we have this section. So if you can see over here, we have a large information over here, a control multiple server, add user data. All right, then we have file manager. So we have almost 1 2 3 4 5 stuff over here, and it like it gives a lot of scrolling here. So we need to find a way for it to make it to decrease the height of it. All right, but we also need all those section here as well. So for this one I have a very good idea. Let me just find that section and the inspiration, and I hope we found that. And let me see. Right, let me go to the landing page and see if we have it over here. All right, yes, this is the section that I was wanted to inform you. Like in here, if you can see over here, we have 1 2 3 section. All right, so here if you can see over here, we have these are basically different section. Okay, and we have the details over here. So this is very good. Okay, and yeah, I think it will give us a clear idea. But yeah, let me find if we have some inspiration here as well in the design. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so this time we even get the idea from here, and let's do it. Let's do it in our way. Okay, so I will come to workspace and well get started. Even I think it was also here. Here we have no, I think we don't have it here. So I will come back to over here and let's see. So I will copy and paste maybe this one. All right, and for the first one I will use it for title, and the second one I will use for subtitle. Okay, so let's use this title and subtitle. Copy the text, paste, copy the text. Okay, paste over here. All right, so this is the first one that we have created, but I will, since it's already in auto layout, but I will give it like maybe 16 pixel left right padding, and let's give it 24, or let's give it 16 from top to bottom as well. Okay, so 16 here as well. All right, so this will be the section. Now let me make it, give it a color. A fill should be this. All right, and now let's duplicate this, but I think I will give it a component, so it will be very easy for us if we want to change it later. Okay, so now let me just do 1 2 3 4 and 5. All right, so these are 5 and we need to do that. So now I will just copy and paste the text from here to here, copy text here, paste here, copy the text, paste here, copy text, paste here, text, and paste here. All right, and now let's copy and paste the title as well. So 1 paste, 2, paste, 3, paste, and 4, paste. The first one we already have it. All right, so now if you can see over here, we have these stuff, detail is added over here. Now this one should be I think with this one. All right, so now you can see over here the text is applied. All right, so for this one I think I will increase this to tell that much. All right, so now we have a clear idea and everything is aligned perfectly. I will shift A and give it 8 pixel spacing between those detail. All right, and on the right side we will have a markup. So for the markup, let me just draw a shape. So we will definitely place markup, but for now let's use that. Okay, so I will give it maybe this color, or let's try different color for this one. Okay, perfect and wonderful. Now let me just select this and this and give it an auto layout. So for this one, again, you know that we will give it 32 pixel, sorry, 32 pixel here and 32 here. All right, we can even increase that as well, but for now I will give it a name of section card. All right, and I will take it aside for now, and I will put this one, this screen here. All right, so let me select this, and instead of this it should be file container, and I think this is fine. All right, and I will take it over here. So one other thing that we can do over here is I will give it 90 pixel top bottom padding. All right, and I will give it a fill should be like this. All right, so now what does it mean? Like if this one is selected, we will have the markup of this one, right? So we need two variation, one selected and one unselected, right? So I will create a variant from here, and for the first thing first, I will give it a roundness. Yeah, let me give it a roundness. So the roundness should be, let's give it maybe 8 pixel roundness here, or let's try 16 pixel. All right, and for the selection, for the selected one, I will give it a stroke. Yes, stroke is fine, because if we fill it, it will be not look that good. And the inside, and it should be 2, and this is perfect. Okay, so it's mean now we have this one is selected, but inside it I think we can increase the spacing to 24 pixel here and 24 pixel here. All right, so this one is selected. This one is default. All right, now let's see. Now you can see over here we have it should be, let's make a default. So now this one is selected and we have the detail on the right. Okay, so wonderful. I think so far we are on the right track. We are on the right track, but I think do you like it, or we can give it I think the title is too big, so let's decrease the size to to 36 maybe, yeah, and paste it over here and see. But the one selected one should be, I think this is fine. This is fine. And for the selection one, I really think we can add some more stuff here. But basically I'm thinking like we can add icons to it. What do you think? What do you think about this section? Do you think it's look cool? It will definitely look cool once we add images to it, right? But so far it is it is somehow a good version of this one, because you can see over here we decreases this spacing to all the way to tell that much. And we need a title and subtext, so let me just put the title and subtext here. All right, so let me just put the title and subtext here. Okay, now let's give it auto layout, and we should increase this to 32. All right, maybe 48. All right, all right, now perfect. So yeah, let's left align it. Okay, all right, this is perfect, this is perfect, wonderful. And let's copy the text from here. All right, paste into here, wonderful. And now let's copy the text from here as well and paste it here. All right, we also need another text. So for this text I will put it to the right of it. Okay, so I will just give it auto layout, and then I will make it horizontal. Okay, so now this text I will put it inside over here, so now this will be balanced. Okay, so copy the text and paste it. All right, wonderful. Let me just remove this, some error in the text. Wonderful, now this is perfectly aligned over here, and maybe we can give it 14 pixel size, and I think this text looks aligned to the bottom. All right, super. Now we are done with this one, and for this one let's give it some other color, like maybe this color, and see how it looks over here. This is too much, so let me just let's do kind of like this. Not that good. All right, let's do. I think if we add the icons, that would be perfect, but even we can do. What do you think? You know, I'm a bit confused here, but let's give it some color like this, maybe 600. So we will give it maybe this color, and then we will remove the stroke from here, and let's see how it looks. I think this looks perfect. This looks perfect now. And one other thing that we can do here is for this one corner, I will make it 0. So maybe this one instead of 69 it should be 0. Okay, now let's see how it looks. Yeah, I think this is perfect. We can use it for sure. All right, so boom, we have over here we will use a screenshot, and over here we have to use the details. Okay, so I think so far so good for this text. I will let's give it another try and see which one looks the best here. All right, 500 maybe. Yeah, white is fine, and let's make this 100. Okay, I'm a bit confused here, but let's see. Yep, I think this color is perfect. This color is perfect, so let's copy the property from here, paste it. All right, and You can see over here this light color is perfect, but one thing that we can do here is we will give it maybe a line here. So let's draw a line inside over here and increase. All right, I think this is perfect. I will cut it and paste it inside, and I will remove that from auto layout. Okay, so now let's increase this like that much. I will give it a color of our primary color, and this one I will clip content. Okay, let's see how does it looks. This looks perfect, but we need to work a little bit on the content. Okay, so for the content, let me just I think this is fine, but for the content I will give it 32 pixel to the right. Okay, so I think this one looks now super. Okay, and we can give it a stroke. Stroke should be, now this time let's give it a stroke of the primary currency, how it looks. Yeah, I think this is perfect. This is perfect. This looks genuine and perfect. I like it. Okay, so I think this is perfect. We could proceed with this for now. Okay, so once we have selected this one appear, and the rest is like, you know, this one is not selected yet, so that's why it look like this. All right, so perfect. Now this section is also done. What else we can do here is maybe introduction to more powerful. I think yeah, I think this is fine. This is fine. We what we can do over here is we will give it more text. So let's give it 48. Sorry, inside here. So we need here, so it should be 48. All right, I think we need to add more. So let's see how much we have it over here. 48 is here. Yeah, for now it's 48 is fine. Okay, we will use that. All right, and this one is already 90, so this one is perfect. Now let me just copy paste those both card section to here as well. Okay, wonderful. And this one we will replace it with the screenshot. Okay, so for now nothing to worry about this one.